My darlings, guess what? 25 Ndoshi, who are mostly from Nigeria, have been busted in another shocking and embarrassing revelation. And guess what? 90% of the Africans involved are Nigerians of Yoruba extraction. Mother Berana, my comment section the other day on Instagram, he was like, if not for Peter Obi, if not that he likes Peter Obi, that he wouldn't have voted for him because he is from the Igbo extraction. Also, every time I go another country, like me talker. Now, get one thing. Before I unveil the names, I want to make something very clear. There has never been a point I said that we don't have bad eggs amongst my Igbo people. I didn't say that. Never. In fact, Igbo is the largest single ethnicity in Nigeria with over 70 million people. That is bigger than the population of Ghana, Benin Republic, and Togo combined. That's why you see Igbos practically living and working in all continents and countries of the world. My anger is trying to heap all the blames on the Igbo because they are, of course, the loudest and most prosperous Nigerians, while the converse is the case in reality. Now, look at this $250 million international email hacking scam that affected 1,000 victims spanning over 47 states of America and 19 countries. Just yesterday, April 30, 25 members of the syndicate were finally convicted by a jury in Toledo, Ohio, United States of America. The ringleader of the syndicates include a 40-year-old Oluwafemi Michael Awoyemi, a Yoruba Nigerian living in Chicago, and 2 other Americans. Aside from the wire fraud scam, Oluwafemi Michael Awoyemi and his fellow American rogue known as Aaron Drake were convicted separately of money laundering scam. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Out of the 25 criminals arrested, 12 are Americans, 8 are Yoruba, 3 Ghanaians, and 2 Igbo. Their names include 40-year-old Oluwafemi Michael Awoyemi of Romeville, Illinois, Aaron Drake, 37, of Atlanta, Georgia, Peter Reed, 35, of Oak Forest, Illinois, Ayobami Osas Christopher, aka Lovely Man, 30, a naturalized U.S. citizen residing in Lawrenceville, Georgia. Emmanuel Okereke, aka Omo Igbo, 42, a Nigerian national residing in Atlanta. Olalekan Bashir, aka Olabash, 36, a Nigerian national residing in Chicago. Mark Debney, 26, of Chicago. Cassie Adesulu Jr., 28, of Houston. Jeremiah Ajeni, 29, a Nigerian national residing in Houston. Ayorinde Emmanuel Adebayo, 35, a naturalized U.S. citizen residing in Olympia Field, Illinois. Emily Agiema, 35, of Joliet, Illinois. Ademola Balogun, 43, a Nigerian national residing in Chicago. Olabode Bankole, 37, a naturalized U.S. citizen residing in Loganville, Georgia. India Benas, 37, of Atlanta. Emmanuel Esife, 28, a Ghanaian national residing in Napperville, Illinois. Chukwuemeka Evuluku, 35, a naturalized U.S. citizen residing in Atlanta. Chukwuemeka don't finally cast. Hell, Jehovah. Jeremiah Glincy, 32, of Chicago. Long Goodman, 69, of Whiting, Indiana. Shaquille I. Jackson, 33, of Chicago. Michael Keith, 31, of Loganville, Georgia. Katiera Lucky, 25, of Houston. Kingsley Owusu, 37, a naturalized US citizen residing in Chicago. Anton Parker, 37, of Chicago. Carton Pruitt, 27, of Bellwood, Illinois. Ronell Spencer, 35, of Chicago. From this list, when it comes to African notorious fraudsters, when it comes to wire fraud and Yahoo, it is evident that our Yoruba neighbors are number 1 in Africa. Yenda negu. Hush puppy. I don't know why indeed why our Igbo sons these days in our joining that. Na happen hinna na iji is why here. Apprenticeship system skills. Normally, this type of news won't trend in Lagos Ibadan newspapers because they would like to protect their battered reputation. But once it's Igbo involved, everywhere Saraloko, it will be buzzing with Omo Igbo, Ngalile, Omo Igbo. Thanks to the new media for giving us the voice to speak out and say the truth as it is. Here at AdaIgboglobal, we deal with verifiable facts and not propaganda. I'm not propagate. Propagate here. Internet I don't propagate you. I just state the facts. What are they? Propagating. I'm off for you. Finally, this is a call to all Nigerians, especially our Yoruba brothers. Quit the crimes already. You guys are bringing shame here and disgrace to Nigeria. And of course, genuine and hardworking Nigerians are negatively affected in the long run. And please, this is a new month. Bring your children. Register them in my Igbo Academy. Mathematics and Igbo. Notation solve maths. Notation go Igbo, Ndi Igbo, Asu Igbo. I won't need the assistance na proof of fund. Teacher, you may travel, you need assistance na proof of fund. Yeah, me team. I'm going to give a very compensating rate. Okay? And if you want to also travel, maybe vacation, and you need someone to book your flight ticket, help you plan your trips, I'm available. Bye. Ichokwa ala enwere ala na Igbo Aba Owerri Enugu Anambra anywhere ịchọrọ ala. Meet me genuine with C of O. Yes.